Alright guys, so I just did some household and getting some things for Thanksgiving. Excuse my baby is sick in the background, so you may hear coughing through the video, but I might do a little small clip of what we got. So these are for Thanksgiving. So I got 3 things of plates. I got some ice trays. I got this strawberry kiwi Welch juice for my daughter because she's sick. Here. And I got a bunch of cleaner stuff. So I got some lavender cleaner. I got some bleach, some dishwashing liquid. I got some all-purpose cleaner with bleach. I got some Febreze Mountain Light Breeze. It smells good. We normally get the one that's in the pink, but we got something different. So I think I said dishwashing liquid. I got some more cleaner stuff, some Brillo pads, some bathroom cleaner, oven cleaner. I do a deep clean right before Thanksgiving, so that's why I got so much cleaner stuff. I got some Comet because you can't go wrong. I got some tub and shower cleaner. Like I stated, my daughter is sick, so I got her some chicken noodle soup. I got a couple of body washes for the kids. I got some Epsom salt because your girl is aching. I got some cough drops. I got some silverware. I got some spoons and forks for Thanksgiving. I got these 20 count cups because I make banana pudding in these, so it's like you grab it and you go instead of making like the big container of it. I got some toothpicks because you know people always need toothpicks after they eat. I got some toilet bowl little things that you drop in the toilet and it turns blue. I got some sponges. I got some toothpaste. This bowl right here is for potato salad. It's not too many of us eat potato salad, so I'm gonna make a small one for Thanksgiving. Some aluminum foil, some laundry soap, some cups, 2 things of cups. I got some paper towels and a bunch of pans for Thanksgiving. So this is the haul. Hope y'all stay tuned because next will be Thanksgiving shopping, what we'll be eating for dinner and the menu. So bye.